Wow. We need to make this. Hi, I'm Tara the Foodie, and I take the mystery out of cooking for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make pizzas using sweet potatoes. That's right. You're going to get to eat pizza, but you're also going to get some good stuff as well. It's going to be healthy, delicious. We haven't done pizza in a while, so let's get cooking. And remember, I do have a playlist on this channel for all of my pizza recipes, and I've linked it here now. So go ahead and click on that when you're done watching this video. This is the reel that I was watching, and as you can see, he's smashing down sweet potatoes and making it into pizza, and that just looks amazing. I went ahead and roasted these up. I washed 4 sweet potatoes. I cut each one in half and then rubbed them with a nice olive oil. And then I roasted them at 425 degrees for 40 minutes or so. And here we have sweet potatoes that now I am ready to smash. Step 1, grab yourself a roasted sweet potato. Step 2, place it down on your sheet pan already lined with parchment paper. Now grab another sheet of parchment paper and we're gonna place it over top. Grab something heavy, whatever you want it to be. But he used a cast iron pan and I have many cast iron pans, so I shall use the same thing. And now we're gonna smash it. Smash it down. Oh! All right. Ooh, look at that. Peel off the top of the parchment paper. Do another one over here and smash away. I feel like I'm giving it CPR. So the fun part is putting your toppings on your sweet potato bases. So I am starting with some pizza sauce, and I'm just going to spread as much as I want. And while I am spreading this pizza sauce onto our sweet potato dough base, click the link down below to subscribe to this channel. It's fun. We make delicious food. And you know, it's kind of shitty of you if you don't. Next, I'm gonna put some cheese. And if you're like me, I'm gonna put an ass load. And I'm gonna put some pepperoni, as much as I can fit, and then hit it with just a little Italian seasoning. And now I'm gonna place this in a 425 degree oven again for just about 10 or 15 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and the edges of the sweet potato starts to crisp up. So I have them out of the oven. They are looking spectacular. And now it's time to finish them off. I have a couple of basil leaves here. They're quite large, but that's okay because we are going to tear them. Just tear little pieces and place them on top. It's going to give them a nice freshness. Next, you want to grab yourself a wedge of Parmesan cheese and your microplane. Grab one of these, and I will link one here now so that you can get one for yourself. This is a must in everyone's kitchen because you can grate nice, hard Parmesan, Asiago, Romano cheeses right over top of something like this, and you get a nice, fine grate. So the final thing that we're gonna do to these pizzas is hit it with some hot honey. You know, use a spoon or one of these little jobbies here, and we are going to drizzle it all over our pizzas. And that's it. Here is my version of the little sweet potato pizzas. They have pepperoni, basil, they have hot honey, mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, little Italian seasoning. They smell amazing. And now, it is my favorite time of every episode, time to taste. Well, I went ahead and cut it into 4 pieces each, and I'm gonna grab a piece. You'll notice as it cools, it kind of solidifies a little more for you so you can pick up the pieces and eat them. Now the only thing left to do is shove this into my face. It's pizza with the taste of sweet potato. Leaving the skin on actually helps out a lot because it kind of keeps it together a bit, I think. It's also held together by the mozzarella cheese, the Parmesan cheese. So give it a little bit of time to cool when you take it out of the oven before you slide it onto your cutting board and serve. It's delicious. The hot honey gives it that sweet and spiciness. The pepperonis gives it the savory bite, the saltiness. It's so, so good. Another winning pizza recipe that we will be making again and again in our kitchen. I'm Tara the Foodie, taking the mystery out of cooking for you, and I will see you next time.
I'm getting on it, baby.
My hair's in my face.
You know, it doesn't have the crunch on the crust, but it is not a dough. It is a sweet potato, so it's going to have that extra moisture. But for what you put into it, I love the results. It's pretty easy to make.
Yeah.
I mean,
it
the
was
longest.
Simple.
I mean, besides waiting for the sweet potato to finish baking in the oven to that consistency to get it smashed down, this is quite the easy recipe and a winning one. Yeah. All right, people. Well, thank you for watching again. I'm Juicy Joe.
And I'm Tara the Foodie. Don't forget to watch more pizza videos. You'll see it here now. And we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.